I am so chuffed because today I have created a new fantastic studio for myself for filming, and it's not as advanced as you might think. It is actually in my living room, and this right here is a roller blind, a blackout roller blind, and I don't even have any lights around me. It is just the window letting natural light in. And look at this setup. How easy can it get? I'm now going to show you what I did. So basically I took a roller blind which I bought at IKEA. So very cheap blackout roller blind, and mine is charcoal grey. And I took out the middle part, which is like a wire and a few plasticky things, and then I pushed a rope through. I put 2 hooks in the ceilings, and then I just raised the roller blind, and here it is. So check that out. Amazingly easy, isn't it? So you can actually keep different colors even if you want. They're easy to store, and I am so pleased to say that those little hooks in the ceiling you can barely see when the roller blind is down. So I am just over the moon with my new studio setup, which is super easy to pull out anytime I need to record a video like this. So give it a go, make your own studio. It doesn't have to be complicated, but it declutters your background, it makes you look more professional, and the ease of it is just fabulous. It will make you want to create more videos. Good luck, and if you want more tips, obviously follow iStorm, do subscribe to this channel, and for more information go to the website istorm.org.uk.